area of triangle. Let us solve. So that the points A01, B23 and C34 are collinear. So what I told earlier, when we did not discuss area of triangle, when I told that through distance formula also we will be able to find out that whether points can be proved as collinear or not. Okay, so let us prove with the help of distance formula. Distance formula. So let us find AB first, the distance AB. So AB whole root 0 minus 2 whole square plus 1 minus 3 whole square. This is the distance formula. Whole root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Okay, is equal to, so whole root minus 2 square will become 4 plus 1 minus 3, this is 3. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2 again, and minus 2 whole square is 4. Correct? Okay, so it has become 8, or 2 into 4. It has become what? 2 into 4. And this has become what? 4. So 2 root 2 unit. This is the distance. Then we will find B and C. BC distance. Okay. So when we are finding BC, so again 2 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 4 whole square giving to us, so minus 1 whole square will become 1 only. Here also minus 1 whole square will become 1 only, and this is giving to us as root 2. Okay. So what we have found? We have found that BC is root 2, whereas AB is 2 root 2. Okay. So we can say that this AB is equal to 2 times of BC. Yes, once this type of relation is there, okay, AB is equal to K, where K is any constant, and BC. In that case, AB and BC may be parallel or collinear. Okay, so in this implies that AB and BC are parallel or in a straight line. Collinear means it may be parallel also. In this case, as point B is common for both of them, because in parallel lines points will not be common. This is parallel line. Okay, so if it is AB, it is BC, so points are common. So there is no case that this point B will come here. So in this particular case, point B is common. That's why A, B and C are collinear. Means in a straight line. A, B and C. They are lying in straight line. Okay. Now you will say that we have proved with distance formula, but here area of triangle is there. Then I said one thing to you, that area of triangle. So these 3 points, if we will find the area of these 3 points, thinking that these 3 points are the vertices of the triangle, then what? Area of triangle will become 0, because all of them are lying in a straight line. So if they are collinear, in one way we have proved. Now with the help of area of triangle, we will prove that these 3 points are lying in a straight line or collinear, when we will find area of triangle is equal to 0. Okay, it must come. So let us see area of triangle. Triangle. formed by three vertices ABC is equal to what? Half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of triangle. Okay, right. Let us put the value. Half x1 is what? So x1 is 0. y2 is what? 3 minus y3 is 4. x2 is what? 2. y3 is 4. y1 is 1 plus x3 is 3. Okay, y1 is 1 minus y2 is what? 3. Okay. Where from we have found? We have found here x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Right. Then further half. So this 0 into anything, it is 0 only. No need to think over more. Okay. 0 into world is equal to 0. 4 minus 1 is 3 and 3 into 2, 6. Okay. Here next one. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 into 3 will become minus 6. Correct? So this plus 6 minus 6 has become 0. So 1 by 2 into 0 is equal to 0. Now you see, with the help of this distance formula we have proved, with the help of area of triangle also we have proved that the lines are collinear. So area of triangle formed by vertices ABC can be 0 only when A, B and C are lying in a straight line. Therefore, A, B and C are collinear.